Holy f***ing shit. Lowbrow Customs. Beep, beep.
All right, everybody, it's time for another one of Todd's Tech Tip Quickies from America's favorite moto guru, Todd.
Hey guys and gals, in this Tech Tip Quickie, we're going to talk about the sticker that comes on the majority of our gas tanks that we get overseas. This is a Cycle Standard. That is Lowbrow's house brand. Most of our tanks will be marked Lowbrow Customs or Cycle Standard. And I get this phone call at least once a week where people call and they want to know, hey, do I need to line my brand new tank? And I'm going to tell you, I don't think it's necessary. Now, we will go over this sticker real quick. Like it says, warning. Fuel tank leaks are a major cause of paint damage. Absolutely, I'll agree with that 100%. If you have a leak in your tank and you paint it, old or new, it's gonna muck up the paint. To protect your investment, the tank must be trial fit. Absolutely, you should always trial fit any tank. If you're building a bike, you don't put your tank on, you send it right to the painter, you get it back, and now you put it on the bike, oh gee, it hits the top of the engine. Oh goodness gracious, what are you gonna do now? You just paid a lot of money to have that painted and it doesn't even fit right. Pressure tested. Absolutely, you need to pressure test the tank whether it's new or whether it's old. Pressure test it. Cheap insurance. Check out my other Tech Tip Quickie for that one. Real easy way to check your gas tank. It's out there on the YouTube land. This is the part I don't agree with. And then sealed with tank prep and tank sealer before painting. I personally don't think it's necessary to seal a brand new tank. What I normally tell customers when they call with this question, I say, no, I don't think you do. You don't need to go to that extent on a brand new tank. It's nice and clean in there. But what I do tell them is, get yourself, go to the kitchen, take Dawn dishwashing soap, and put a little bit of that in the tank with a little water and slosh it around, clean it out real good, rinse it out a couple times, and then, I know what you're thinking now, you just put water in your tank and it's gonna get rusty. Nope, dry it out with a hair dryer, or if you've got a heat gun in the garage, dry it out real good. And the reason I'm telling you to do that is because there might be some oil, there might be some residue from the manufacturing process, whatever. You want the inside of the tank to be clean before you put it into service. Do you need to seal it? I really don't see any reason why. Now, there is a time for sealer. Let's say you have this old tank here, and it's a pretty good tank, it's in nice shape, and you want to reuse it, but geez, it's all rusty inside there. That's a great time to use sealer. We sell this product on the website. It's called Caswell's. And if you look at the product information for this product, you know what it says? It adheres wonderfully to a rusty surface. That's what it's for. So new tank, clean and new, not so needed. Old tank, rusty, want to reuse it? Absolutely, seal the darn thing. And finally it says, before painting, protect finish, internal rust during storage, blah, blah, blah. You know what I tell people? If you're not gonna put your tank into service right away, you're mocking up your bike, you may have washed it out already, it's dry, it's clean, go down to the auto parts store and get yourself some Marvel Mystery Oil. Comes in a plastic jug, you can mix it with gas or oil. Put a little bit inside the tank and slosh it around until it coats the inside of the tank, and that way, that will prevent the tank from flash rusting in your garage while you're spending the next year, 2 years, 3, however long it takes you to build a bike, I don't know. If you're quick, you're quick. If you're not, you don't want your tank to be rusty when it's time to use it. So by all means, follow the procedures on the sticker other than the lining thing. In my opinion, that's not needed. And head on over to the website. We have a bunch of different gas tanks available. Check them out, lowbrowcustoms.com. If you have any questions other than lining your tank, because I just told you not to do it, give me a shout. I'm available Monday through Friday. I'm not here on the weekend. Don't call me on Saturday or Sunday. I'm not here. Hope you enjoyed this tech tip and have a great rest of your day. Get your new tank, get it on your bike, and go for a ride. Woo!
Todd's Tech Tip Quickies.